part one of the backyard project. Because this slope is so steep, we're getting erosion. So what I did, and I'm hoping this works, I think it will, I dug out and just, you know, block 8x8x16s. They're like $2 a piece. And they gave me the height I needed, 2 courses. I didn't pour footing, it's just sitting on the ground. I leveled them out. And then what I did was I sunk 1-inch rebar, like every other one. And then I'm just filling them with concrete to make one solid mass. This is going to get backfilled until it's level. And then we're going to repeat with another level till we work it up. And then it's going to be mulched and flowers, and the wife has all kinds of plans to do it. It started with this area. We have this sump pump that comes out from the basement, dumps in here. So we just put in this box, and we ran a pipe which comes out here. And because we're at the end of the street and at the bottom of the hill, this thing runs pretty constant. So there's a fresh feed of water for this. On dry days, I would say maybe every hour or two it'll dump in. So we bought a small, like a pond, fish pond from Home Depot for $60. It's like a foot deep, 4 foot by like 2 foot, and it's got a shape to it. So the birds love it. The birds are always out here in the water. So get this cleaned up, put the pond in, which will be a lot bigger than this, and then going to landscape around the pond, put some fish in it, maybe some lily pads or something. And the front of this, I'm going to porridge the wall, you know, with some mortar, make it look like stucco. And then we're going to buy probably some flat rock that I can mortar on top. So you won't even be able to tell when this is done that there's even cinder blocks here, because it'll look like stucco, and it'll be backfilled, you know, up to the top here to get us level and running. And it wasn't too bad. I did this all in like 3 mornings. Just setting the first, you know, once you get the first course set down level both ways, it goes pretty fast. So that side's got a more gradual slope. I'm not worried about that too much. But it was rough mowing over here. It was a pain because it's on such a steep hill. And we had the same problem over here. The hill was so steep coming off of that sidewalk, it just dropped down. So when, you know, we had dirt bikes, we've always had dirt bikes, that was a big tabletop jump. It was probably, I don't know, 20 or 30 foot long. And so that's what I'm using to fix this, get this on a better, more even grade, put some topsoil on top, plant some grass. Hopefully that comes out all right. I got a string that I'm running so I can judge my grade. I'm going from the corner of that sidewalk down to a block here at the bottom. That way I can judge where I need to put dirt. It's just roughed in right now because, you know, there's plenty of more dirt that I got to get over there, but just wanted to document this as we go. Hopefully this all works out right. I got a good feeling about this. You know, if I was younger and had more time, I probably would have poured a footing and then put the block on the footing. But as this has kind of become a monolithic solid piece, I think it's going to be fine, because it's going to get backfilled on the front too. After I porridge it, I plan to kind of slope that down too, so it'll have support from both sides. So I don't think it'll go anywhere. And the ground here it's been 17 years that we moved in, so it's pretty packed, it's pretty solid. I'm not worried about too much about it sinking, but that's the plans. Like I said, just want to get this on video as we go. We'll do the before and after, and see how it all comes out.